Hello YouTube, I am finally back. They were finally able to deliver our cabinets on a Friday, and then that following week, Monday, they came out to start working on them. Unfortunately, there's still a lot more left to work on. But yeah, so let's take a look. So they've wrapped the knee wall. When the people came out to measure the counters the Tuesday following afterwards, or measure for the counters rather, they identified like some concerns, some additional supports that are going to be needed to hold the cabinets on the knee wall. They put up the shelving that I had purchased. Unfortunately, it doesn't appear to be that steady. So my husband's gonna ask for them to kind of reinforce that shelving. My goal was to make sure that whatever refrigerator and microwave I got fit. I was not aware that the expectation was for it to be a tight fit. So I'm gonna need to ask them to finish the trim on the floor behind the refrigerator, because I wouldn't want any like spillage concerns with the floor not being all the way to the wall, and just the idea of water being able to sit right over there. So like I said, they measured for the countertops the following day, so there's gonna be countertops on that side as well as where that knee wall is. So I guess one of the things that I forgot about was the fact that these are going to be soft shut cabinets, and then the two drawers that exist are also going to be soft shut as well. So I kind of look forward to that, although my husband was like super rough trying to close them, not used to the soft shut life. So these are the shelves that will be underneath or behind the knee wall, that won't be like open to the average person's sight. Not sure why they are so short and not extended from one end to another, but it also sounds like they need to put in some additional support to the left of the counter to hold up the countertops. So again, like I indicated, these are soft shut. So yeah, that's it for now, and supposedly by the end of October we're supposed to be completely done. They have a lot of things to fix and work on, so pray for me that they can actually get all of this done in that 4-day period they're giving themselves at the end of October. As usual, thanks for watching.